This Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. 1870 Little Old Brick School currently used as a community gathering venue. Conveniently located, accessible 2.7 mile from RT 322 bypass in rural village of Locust Run. Think outside the box and invest to restore this local historical school into an Airbnb, retreat, bulk food store, wedding/reunion venue, antique store, or potential home with added septic drainfield. Now serviced by a private well and holding tank under half bath only. Property offers southern exposure and triangular 0.38 acres across the road beside the stream. 33x24 pavilion/barbecue chicken area could be turned into a 2-car carport or pole barn to house animals. Large kitchen. Meeting/gathering room could host worship/church services. Cash/conventional local bank loan only. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Sainer at 717-436-8200.